Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create on my channel, then please do consider subscribing. So this is the third look that I have created today for my Navratri makeup series. So if you guys want to know how to create this look, then please continue watching. To start off, I will be going in with my MAC Strobe Cream. This one is in the shade Gold Light. Will now be applying my MAC Prep Plus Prime Pore Refiner Stick. For foundation, I am going to apply this one. This is my K-Beauty's Hydrating Foundation. We'll be mixing these two shades. This one is 145N medium and the other one is 130Y medium. So I'm going to take 2 pumps of 130Y medium and 1 pump of 145N medium. So guys, I've already applied the strobe cream, but I will be again mixing it in my foundation. This is my MAC 190 brush. I will be applying concealer on this area. For concealer, going in with these two, this is my Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 34S Medium Sand, and this is my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Ginger. I will be applying ginger on these marks, on these pimples, क्योंकि हमने स्ट्रोब क्रीम को मिक्स किया फाउंडेशन के साथ, तो कवरेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा लाइट हो गया. Now, Tarte Shape Tape. Setting my under eyes with Anastasia's Translucent Loose Powder. This is my MAC 227 brush. Set my foundation with K-Beauty's Matte Compact in the shade 130N medium, and this is my Sigma's F40 large angled contour brush. It's a travel sized brush. For bronzer, blusher and highlighter, today I will be using my Urban Decay's Stay Naked Threesome Trio. This one is called Fly. We have a blusher, highlighter and bronzer. So I'm going to use my same Sigma brush. I have to be really careful because these are super pigmented. This is the bronzer that I'm applying. Now blush. Applying highlighter with my Anastasia's A23 brush. Guys, I'm just going to spray some of my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So I'm going to start off with my eye makeup now, so let's begin. Today I am using the Tribe palette by JUVIAS. If I'm not mistaken, it is my very first time using this palette. ये कब से है मेरे पास, but I've never actually used it. Yeah, I don't think I've ever used this palette. So it's actually my first time. So first I will be going in with KC, which is this color. This is my Zoeva's 227 Luxe Soft Crease brush. I'm going to place this shadow on my inner corner and on my outer corner. So now I'm going to connect it with Zoeva's 224 Luxe Define Crease brush, like so. On Sigma's E25 blending brush, I will be taking ZAKIYA, which is this rust orange color, and I'm going to again apply it in the same manner on the corners. In the center, I will be applying ZUBA. It's a nice metallic shadow with my finger. I'm going to blend the edges for the softer look. Now I'm going to take KOGI, okay, and I'm going to smudge it on my lower lash line using Zoeva's 240 Luxe Petite Pencil Brush. I'm going to keep the intensity more towards the outer corner. And then with the product that's left on the brush, I'm going to pull it inwards slightly. Going in with ZAKIYA now. This is my Real Techniques. Which brush is this? I don't know guys which brush is this, so I'm going to use this one. Again, it's a small detailed brush. So this is my ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Good Reef, and I will be applying it on my waterline. Applying some of my Maybelline's Total Temptation Mascara. So before moving on to lip color, I'm quickly going to wear my eyelashes and I'll see you guys soon. So guys, I went ahead and applied some of Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish powder under my eyes and on my T-zone. And I also applied some highlighter on my cheekbones and on the bridge of my nose. Now let's go in with the lip color. Today I am applying Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte. This one is in the shade Icon. Finishing off my makeup with Morphe's Continuous Setting Mist.